Hello, folks. Richard Fontaine here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now, this is an exceptional offer, folks. So I recommend that you grab it. And I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and then deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Sensitive information ahead. You're about to witness the power of AI while it overtakes a $5 billion monopoly. Take a look at this. Yes, that's a payment of $386.34 that I just received directly in my bank account. Want to know what I did to get this? Well, nothing. Let me explain. I leverage an AI natural language model way better than ChatGPT-4 to create and narrate audiobooks and podcasts for me. But that's not all. I use the same app to market these audiobooks to 2.3 million active users in different niches. How? By using our groundbreaking app, Ecco. Ecco is the only app on the market that'll allow you to turn any URL, website, blog, text article, PDF, Word document, or even a keyword into high-quality audiobooks, podcasts, or voiceovers without you doing anything. That's right, no writing scripts, no recording anything, and no researching anything. And all it takes is 60 seconds or less. How? By leveraging an AI natural language processor 10 times better and faster than ChatGPT-4. But that's not all. With Ecco, you'll be able to publish your audiobook to our built-in marketplace with millions of active members. This will allow you to start selling your audiobooks and keep 100% of the profit. And if you're thinking, why would you even create an audiobook? Let me tell you this. The audiobooks industry is estimated to be worth over $5 billion, and it's growing every single day. It's an underestimated gold mine, and today you have the chance to capitalize on it with Ecco. Here, let me show you how powerful it is. I was able to generate $2,835.23 in just 7 days from selling audiobooks inside the built-in marketplace. And every day I get sales like this. And the best part is, I didn't even have to do much work to get the result. I didn't have to pay for ads, write scripts, or market the audiobook. Ecco does that for me on autopilot. But not just me. We have hundreds of active members who make a full-time income by using Ecco to generate audiobooks, podcasts, and VSL. Here's the beauty of it. With Ecco, you get to choose from over 660 different human-like voices and accents, with the feature to control the pitch, tempo, effects, and volume. But it gets better. Ecco doesn't restrict you to English only. Unlike anything on the market right now, Ecco gives you 80-plus different languages to choose from. This means you can conquer and dominate any market with ease without paying monthly or dealing with any technical mumbo-jumbo. Oh, and before I forget, you can also upload your very own voice, and Ecco will mimic it and generate any audiobook you want with your own voice. How cool is that? Ecco's not all about audiobooks. It can do so much more than that. You can also use Ecco to create your own podcast that you can publish to any platform you want: Spotify, Audible, YouTube, Apple Podcasts, etc., or to our built-in marketplace. You can use Ecco to generate ad voiceovers, courses voiceovers, webinar voiceovers, VSLs voiceovers, podcasts, audiobooks, and much more. Basically, if you want to narrate anything with 100% human-like voice, then Ecco's for you. And here's the kicker. Ecco will even write all the scripts for you for your ads, courses, VSLs, and more, using the built-in Siri-like voice command. You just tell it what you want to promote or what you want to narrate, and it'll create the script for you with our AI model and narrate it for you. Ecco works for everyone. Doesn't matter what you're trying to do online. It works for affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, e-com store owners, book publishers, product owners, coaches, video marketers, service providers, and hustlers who just want to make passive income. You don't need any special skills or experience to use Ecco. As long as you can follow dead easy instructions, you're good to go. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started with Ecco. Step 1, log in. Log into Ecco cloud-based app. Step 2, generate. Enter a keyword, article, PDF, website, or even a URL, and Ecco will turn that into a full audiobook or podcast. Step 3, publish. Publish your new audiobook to our built-in marketplace with millions of users. Step 4, profit. Yup, that's it. I'm sure by now you're asking yourself, how much is this going to cost me? Look, I'm going to be honest with you, I can charge up to $1,000 for it. And considering that we have 0 competitors, we can get away with that. But not just because we don't have competitors, but because we can give real, tangible results. Ecco will pay for itself in just a few days. But the thing is, I make enough money by using Ecco myself, and I'm going to continue to keep it up and running for many years to come. So I have no reason to overcharge you for it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Ecco for a fraction of the price. Less than the price of a cheap dinner. This is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Ecco. But here's the catch. We put a lot of effort and care into each customer of Ecco, which takes a lot of our time. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licenses I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 per month. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you, to help them finally break through. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Ecco for any reason, we insist that you send us an email and we'll gladly refund you. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Not just that, we'll send you a bunch of extra software as a gift for wasting your time. So what are you waiting for? Click the button below and get instant access to Ecco, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.